Hello, my friends. Happy Saturday to all of you. So, friends, it is true and is finally happening. Congress is taking big action. The Senate has just approved a new bill that will help many low to middle income households. More money is also being released for another round of stimulus checks. Friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video to learn more about these new bills. Also, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter tomorrow's giveaway, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, my friends, that the more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway.
Well, last week, the senior senator from Illinois came to this floor, and he said Republicans want the midterm elections to be about inflation and the border. I think the senator intended his comments to be a criticism of Republicans, but I would point out to the senator from Illinois, that's exactly what the American people say this election ought to be about: inflation and the border. Not Republicans who are making that the election issue for 2022. No, it's what the American people say they want to vote on. Frankly, it's also the Democrats, because they created both of these crises. So this is going to be an up or down vote on how well the Democrats have done with the border and with our economy and the inflation that is crushing so many families at home all across the country. Nobody forced the Democrats to vote to cram a $2 trillion spending bill through Congress last March. Oh no, party line vote, the Democrats in this body, Nancy Pelosi and the Democrats in the House, and Joe Biden only 2 months into his presidency. Democrats say, oh no, it was coronavirus, that's what they said it was for, but when you take a look at that bill, only 1 out of every $11 actually went for medical care. The rest went to a big Democrat wish list. Includes government checks to illegal immigrants. These are criminals behind bars receive checks from the government in the name of coronavirus relief. Nobody forced the Democrats to open the southern border. So the crisis that we have of inflation and the crisis that we have in the border are both crises of choice by the Democrats. Now here we are 15 months into the Democrats' administration. The number one issue in America today is inflation. 40-year high inflation numbers. 9 out of 10 Americans. And
States are getting ready to send out more stimulus payments. Lawmakers in the House just voted to release another round of federal stimulus dollars in relation to crisis relief. More than $420 million is earmarked for local governments around Ohio, with a population of under 50,000 people. More than $420 million is earmarked for local governments around Ohio. Republican Representative Thomas Hall said, "This is a second round of funds from the American Rescue Plan Act. The first round was released in June of 2021. Representative Hall also noted that the U.S. Department of Treasury released new guidelines for how the funds can be used. The American Rescue Plan Act sent more than $5.4 billion to Ohio, which was part of the $1.9 trillion crisis relief package. An additional $6.6 billion was sent directly to larger Ohio cities. Republicans in the state of Ohio and around the country have fought against the stimulus package. The Ohio Democratic Party pushed back on Republicans who had argued against the American Rescue Plan Act, such as Governor Mike DeWine. But friends, the Ohio Senate is expected to hold hearings on the bill and pass it out of the chamber in the next few weeks. Please, friends, let me know in the comments section below if you reside in a city or state that's providing its own residents with stimulus checks. The Senate is also working on the baby formula shortage. The Senate approved a bill by unanimous consent intended to improve access to baby formula as the U.S. contends with a nationwide shortage, and it has sparked an outcry and put great pressure on lawmakers to act now. The bill, called the Access to Baby Formula Act, was approved by the House of Representatives and will now go to President Biden's desk for his signature. The measure is aimed at ensuring that families in need can continue to buy baby formula with WIC benefits during a public health emergency or supply chain issues such as a product recall. WIC refers to the Federal Assistance Program known as a Special Supplemental Nutrition Program for women, infants, and children. During a speech, Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer said, "The Senate has just passed legislation to help ease the terrible nightmare that parents are facing trying to find baby formula for their kids. It is rare that we have unanimous vote in the Senate on important measures, and I wish we had more. But this is one of these important issues, and I'm glad we're acting with one voice." The measure would authorize the Agriculture Department to waive certain requirements related to the benefits program, and this is according to a fact sheet from the House Education and Labor Committee. Chuck Schumer also stated, "The step that we are taking today is going to add flexibility and relief to WIC beneficiaries, and almost half of all baby formula consumed in the U.S. is by WIC beneficiaries. Right now, millions of parents will have an easier time finding baby formula. So now, millions of parents will have an easier time finding the baby formula that they need." Senate GOP Whip John Thune of South Dakota acknowledged earlier that key senators in his party have not looked closely at the $28 billion as of yet. But he and other Republicans have said that they already don't think more funding is needed and that the Biden administration has the tools it needs to resolve this problem. According to a release from the House Appropriations Committee, the emergency funding would be used to increase the number of FDA inspection staff, provide resources for personnel working on formula issues, help the agency stop fraudulent baby formula from entering the U.S. marketplace, and improve data collection on the formula market. Hi friends, the keyword for this video is Boston. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Boston, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Well, my amazing and fantastic friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Mary Lowe. Congratulations, dear friend. Please know if I have announced you as the winner, do check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Thank you so much, my friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Saturday.